New strategic positions open up because of change. New needs emerge as societies evolve. Above all else, the COVID-19 outbreak is a tragedy, affecting hundreds of thousands of people globally. In this video series, we intend to reinforce some of the key pieces of advice on how to manage your business during lockdown. It's likely that as this crisis develops and new unforeseen circumstances occur, opportunities will also present themselves to you and your business. It is important in a time when it's easy to focus on defense to also have an offensive mindset and look out for doors that might be opening. Has anyone seen the remote? Our do's and don'ts for working remotely. Basic call etiquette is mostly common sense. However, some participants could benefit from a refresher to avoid user frustration and negative outcomes. Here are a few simple guidelines we think are most important. Do choose an appropriate location. Plan to find a quiet location as the background sounds of children, pets, and TV will disrupt any conversation. Don't arrive late. Nobody wants to be left waiting for a participant to arrive to start the call or have the conversation interrupted by notification of a late arrival. Do learn and test the technology before the start of a call. Familiarize yourself with the technology before a call. Ensure it is properly connected, correctly positioned, and functioning as expected. Don't attempt to multitask. You may think others don't realize you're carrying out another task during a call, but participants notice slow responses to questions and eyes trained away from the camera during a video call. You probably already work with one of the better-known productivity suites, such as G Suite or Office 365, but are you using them effectively? Do keep files centralized to maintain organization, rather than employees emailing documents as attachments, leading to the creation of multiple versions. Make use of the facilities many productivity suites offer to allow teams to make and track changes to the same individual documents. Remember, what your organization learns and puts into practice now may well become the norm in the future. As the world realizes the benefits of reducing travel emissions and organizations recognize staff can still effectively collaborate whilst working remotely, we could begin to see more and more businesses incorporating work from home schemes to capitalize on some of the many benefits. Thanks for watching. Be sure to have a look at the other videos in this series to gain some new perspectives on the possible implications COVID-19 has for your company.